40% of agricultural work in India is done by women. 83 million women across the country are engaged in agriculture. They plant crops, take care of them, do weeding, harvesting and post-harvest processing, as well as seed storage and treatment. They take care of animals, feed them, milk them, and grow them for meat.
सुबह 5 बजे उठते हैं, उठने से एक बांस की दार हम काटते हैं, एक बांस की दार मम्मी काटती है। दार काटने के बाद उनके नीचे साफ सफाई करते हैं। नीचे साफ सफाई करने के बाद चूल्हा जलाते हैं, चाय चढ़ाते हैं, सभी परिवारों को पिला के फिर बाद में दूध चढ़ा के पानी भर के लाते हैं। बाहर हेडपंप है तो हेडपंप से बेवड़ा अपन एक चरी रहती है, उन्हीं के बेवड़ों से हम पानी भर के लाते हैं। फिर 3 या 4 बेवड़े पानी आता है, आधा घंटा हम पानी में दे देते हैं। फिर बाद में हम हमारे एक बाड़ा है तो उधर हम गोबर करते हैं। अधिकतर जानवर वहाँ रहते हैं तो वहाँ पे हम उन्हीं की साफ सफाई करने के लिए जाते हैं। फिर वहाँ से हमारे को 7:30 बज जाती है। खेत में जाके दोबारा रचके के काटते हैं। दोबारा रच काट के वो एक बार को धोवाई रखते हैं, खुद को माथे पे लाते 1 किलोमीटर दूर से। फिर वहाँ से लाके मंजन करके नहा के खाना तो खाए ना खाए तो भी टाइम नहीं मिले तो ठीक ऑफिस में खाएंगे, ले चलेंगे। फिर वहाँ से आके यहाँ पे ये कचरा का काम करते हैं।
Some social entrepreneurs, such as Ashoka Fellow Ved Arya, are working with women farmers to increase yields and provide market linkages. While the women's families were skeptical about applying the new techniques to their farms, some women decided to experiment on their plots.
उनको ऐसे छांट के करते थे, तो उनको लाइन से बो के उनका अच्छी तरह से देखभाल किया ना हमने, तो उसमें कम से कम और साल ऐसी 4 बोरी का अंतर जाता। और सबका बाजरी लावनी आ गया था, लेकिन हमारा 15 दिन बाद में लावनी आई था। लेकिन हमने जबरदस्ती करके गाँव को दिखाया था, तो गाँव वाले बोल रहे कि आप बीज लाके भी आप ही दो और आप अभी से हमारे को ट्रेनिंग दे लग जाओ, जो ताकि हम अभी से जागरूक हो जाए और आप बोलेगी जिससे हम खेती करेंगे।
I see that value in actually documenting and sharing what did we do right in building up Maitri or Soya Samriddhi and building up leaders like this, and these practices are we should actually look at not just best practices, we should look at good practices. We should also record struggles and failures where we stumbled. So it's not only that you organize them into SHGs, they become vehicle for microfinance. I see much, whenever I visit villages, I get swarmed by them and they say, why are you not doing this, why are you not doing this? Why are you only doing dairy? But there are only 10% women are participating in dairy in our talk program. So the leaders of the SHGs will tell me, let's start some other income generation program. So it's both that I get excited when they are excited about what they are doing. At the same time, they challenge me to do new things. So in terms of impact, we are seeing that women are making choices out of the money which is better for their families, which is better for their children. So here women are seen as mothers with invested in roles that sometimes or oftentimes children would see their fathers playing, which is I have seen with my eyes.
Their families and society's realization of women's contribution to household income rapidly brought about social transformation. Women who were in full parda as recently as 8 years ago now confidently negotiate prices with male traders and are sending their daughters to college. The needs of women farmers are different than men because of the separation of responsibilities and focus on different crops. Ashoka is studying techniques used by social entrepreneurs to address women farmers' needs and increase their influence over agri decisions and income. Ashoka and Ashoka Fellows are co-designing top 10 replicable ideas for making agriculture programs gender responsive. Join us to conduct studies, co-design initiatives, scale the work of Ashoka Fellows and to fund programs related to agriculture and nutrition.